Hey nail babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review on the House of Supplies May nail subscription and Icy Box. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and nail videos like I said here in this video. I will be going ahead and showing you guys here what I got in the month of May, which I'm really excited about. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the post notifications on so that way you get notified when I upload. And also, if you guys haven't yet, make sure to check down below in the description for any of my social media. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. And also do not forget to check out the description for any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below as well as throughout here in the corner, so check them out if you guys haven't. And also check down below for the actual subscription. I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to check it out. And let's get on to showing you guys what I got here in the month of May. Okay, so as you can see, I do already have them labeled, which I am going to be going ahead and opening. I honestly don't know which one I should open first because I got them at the same time, but I do know which is which because I did check the tracking number. So yeah, I'm really excited, but I think I'm gonna open this one only because she looks a little thick. Like, maybe you guys can't really see too much on camera, but like, she is thick and Miss Girl over here ain't. So I'm really excited about this one. So I am going to be going ahead and unboxing the Nailz subscription first, and I will be going ahead and going in with my gold vintage scissors to unbox it. And I will make sure to link down below, the scissors link down below, so check down below as well in the description to check them out and use my code to save some money when shopping. But as you can see here, I have it open. Here's a quick little sneak peek, which I'm really excited about. So the first thing that I do go ahead and see is some little nail sequins, which they do look neon. I love the packaging. I've never seen this type of packaging, which I think is super cute, but they're just little neon sequins. And then here next we have some really big 3D flowers, which look really pretty, don't get me wrong, but they do look a little big, like more like kawaii kind of vibes, but I'm here for it. And here next we also, ooh, look at these are okay, I've never seen these are freaking cute. These are some little YSL charms, I guess you could call them, which I cannot wait to open these. I definitely want to feel like the texture of them. I don't know, they kind of look like acrylic, but then they kind of look like clay. I don't know, but that's what they look like in different colors. And then also I do see a matte top coat, as you could see here. It says from Born Pretty. And then this is what really had me curious. Why was it so thick? So it is a little collection of glitters, which I have gotten another collection in the past, which I'm really excited because this one is different. Obviously this one is gold, which I'm here for it. I love it. So I do see some chunky pieces as well as some fine ones. So as you can see here, this is what I got for the nail subscription, which here, as you can see here, I have all the products for the nail subscription, which I will go into detail. So first thing that we have here is the matte top coat, which I did get in the past. I'm not really excited about it, to be honest, but we did get that. And also we did get these little neon nail sequins, which I am going to be going ahead and opening them. They do come in a little different assortment. So from what I see some little circles, stars, some little crowns, I guess, some little puzzle pieces, some more stars. This one's like a little mix with flowers and glitter, some butterflies, hearts, flowers, some more little circles, some little Mickey heads, and some more little hearts, which are super cute. And also another thing that's super cute are your girls' nails, which obviously by the time you guys see this, I didn't post a video on them. I kind of just did them very last minute, very quick for an event that I had. So yeah, that's literally the only reason why I have nails on. So little ASMR. Oh my god, ignore the air in the background. I know it probably killed it, but yeah, this is what they look like. Definitely comment down below if you guys would like to see a tutorial on this. This is like the final look. I just the only thing missing on this hand is the lines and the crystals, because your girl, no. But yeah, definitely comment down below if you guys want to see a little tutorial on these. I don't know, make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions. This is what they look like. I will probably take these off soon, so stay tuned. But that's what my nails look like. And also a little sneak peek, stay tuned for a vlog because I'm so excited to upload that. So yeah, back to the subscription. Here we did get these roses, which are 3 flowers, and this is what they look like, which I also do want to feel these. I want to see what they feel like, because I wonder if they're like plastic, like I said, clay, I don't know. So yeah, they're definitely like plastic, I guess, but it's also kind of like I don't know, because they are hard, so I think it is plastic, I don't know. But I love the colors. So I have white, this like really pretty like baby teal, mint blue, green, whatever you want to call it, purple, a little pastel yellow, and then this like coral pink color, which I'm living for. I love, although I will say I don't like that there's only 2 of these, like with F, and it's my favorite color, like really. But anywho, this is what those look like. Super cute, cannot wait to use those. And then here next we did also get these, which also caught my eye. Definitely, I've never seen any of these 2, so very excited. And again, these also come in a different assortment of colors. If your girl can open it. So this is what these look like. So yeah, same thing, I'm pretty sure. I don't know, because they're not like bendable. I think it's like another type of material, to be honest, because it is kind of pretty hard. I don't know, but I do like that these also do come in a different arrangement of colors, in white, yellow, purple, pink, blue, this like nudish color, green. And yeah, super cute. Can't wait to use these. These are definitely gonna be in trending. Probably somebody's gonna do a cute set with these, I know for sure. Which y'all, I need to get on it. Definitely comment down below if you guys want to see like more like content, like tutorials, like little mini videos, because that's definitely something I've been saying I want to branch out to. But y'all, I don't have time. But yeah, this is what these look like. And then last but not least, here we have the collection of glitters. So again, it is a gold collection, and one thing I will say is I like that none of them spilled. For the most part, there's just like a little bit of spillage here, but other than that, pretty okay. So here we have like gold, we have like a champagne, like a yellow gold, chunky, fine. Here we have like a little mix with like some little hexagons, like again, gold hollow, super cute. And this is everything that I got here in the month of May for my Nailz subscription. Now I will be going ahead and opening my Icy box. Okay, so now I will be going ahead and opening my Icy one. So let's get to seeing what you got, because honestly, I feel like the nail one was pretty good for what we did get. So let's see what we got here. So here's a little quick sneak peek. So again, this is the Icy box. So the first thing that I do see is a wax pencil. As you can see, it is in the color green, which is super cute, matches my nails or whatever. Super cute, love that. And then I do see some crystals. I see some regular AB shapes, which I'm definitely excited about. I always come in handy, love that. And then last but not least, I did get some more flowers, which these look pretty dope. I can't wait to open these. So let's get on to seeing everything up close and personal. So as you can see, we did only get 3 items, which I am going to start off by showing you guys these flowers, because I think they look super cute. I've never seen these ever, so I'm definitely excited to see what they look like, what they feel like. They are clear with like a tone of color. Just to show you guys really quick with this little extra little thing, whatever this may be, like little, I don't know, a little sure I could use it for something. But these are super cute. They do have a flat back, which I do like, as you could see. And then this is what they look like. Super cute. Look at that. Super cute. And they do come in like different tones, so they are clear for the most part, and then they do have like different tones of them. So I do see like a pink one, green, like a purplish, yellow, orange. Super cute. Here down here we have like some darker pink ones and like a gray one. That one's super cute. So just a little different assortment of roses. And again, these do have a flat back, so these are perfect. And then also, like I mentioned, we did get some crystals. So here we have some shapes in AB, as you can see. So we do have some kites, some emerald cuts, some little, I forget what these are called, some teardrops, like a little diamond, but it's not a diamond. Raindrop, kites, I forget the name of those. These are not marquise, but the other ones, flames, those are hearts. And then we have some pears, so just some AB shapes. And then again, we did get a little wax pencil in the color green. Look, it does have the wax side and the little point at the end. So that's just simply what it is, and that is pretty much everything that we got here for the Icy Box, as you could see. Okay, so here, as you can see, here I have all the products that I received here for the month of May. So as you can see, for the nail subscription, I did get a total of 5 products, and then here for the Icy Box, I only got a total of 3. So definitely make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions. Did you guys get the same stuff? Did you guys get this month? Whether you guys did or didn't, what do you guys think about what I got? Definitely make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions, because I will definitely love to see and hear what you guys got to say. But for the most part, I will say that my favorite one was, I want to say it was kind of like a tie, only because the matte, I wasn't really too fond about it. You know, I've gotten it in the past. What I was really excited about for sure is these new charms. If anything, only because I have gotten the shapes in the past, which I'm not complaining. I love that I got crystals, because they are not cheap, and for what the subscription is worth, I feel like it's definitely worth it. Like, just this alone, and just this, you know, this mat alone is the subscriptions. So like I said, I'm not mad about it. Same thing with the wax pencil, I'm not mad about it. I would definitely use it. This, I don't know if I have this or not, so I can't really say, but I want to say that I do. So just in case if I do or don't, I don't hate it, but I don't love it. So definitely enjoy it, but don't get me wrong, I will definitely put this to use, if not include it in a giveaway soon, so make sure to stay tuned. But here next, we also do have the little glitter collection, which also I'm not really too fond about, only because it is glitter. I wish we would get like more trendy stuff. Like, I feel like some of this isn't really trending. If anything, I feel like just these 3 alone is like new. So honestly, I wasn't really too fond about this month. Even though I am excited about the charms, I will definitely give this month, for the nail subscription, I will definitely give it like a big 8. The only thing that killed it was the matte, but other than that, I love the nail subscription. And also, I did really enjoy the Icy Box, so I'm not complaining. But if anything, I just wish they would include more trendy items, or just like more, more like not necessarily useful items, but like, I don't know, include like a tool, or include, I don't know, some tips, you know, include tips in this, you know, like, you know, I don't know, that's just my kind of thinking. But for the most part, I definitely enjoyed everything that I got here for the month of May. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions, because I definitely want to hear. And this is it for the end of this month. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed, and do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to turn on the post notifications, so that way you don't miss the video. And also, I will make sure to link down below the subscription, so make sure to check down below in the description if you guys are interested, which I do want to say they do retail for $12.99 a month, so each of them is $12.99. Also, make sure to check down below in the description for any of my social media, any discount codes, as well as any of my latest videos. Make sure to go check those out if you guys haven't. And again, this is everything that I got here for the month of May. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.